Hello friends, today I will discuss Junior English Book 3 page number 46 and the topic is Proverbs. In the box it's written, a proverb is a wise saying that has been in use for hundreds of years. Learn these proverbs and their meaning. So we have got here what does it mean. Proverbs, one type of sentence which are or which have been used for 100 years, means from many years we are using these sentences. We are telling a sentence, but when we are trying to express the meaning, it is just different from the actual words which were spoken or which are spoken before. Here there are the examples: penny wise, pound foolish. See here, penny wise, pound foolish. Here penny, pound. But in the right side, its meaning places, it's written people who worry about small details fail to achieve anything worthwhile. So we have found here the actual words are not staying here, means the sentences or the words actual meaning we are not getting in this place. So there are more we are getting here. Let's read. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. Meaning is being separated from someone can make you like him or her all the more. The early bird catches the worm, meaning people who arrive early are likely to be better off than those who come late. Don't count your chickens before they are hatched. Meaning is don't be too confident about possible gains. Too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many helpers often get in one another's way. Empty vessels make most noise. Answer or meaning is actually ignorant people usually talk more than wise people. Make hay while the sun shines. Make the most of your opportunities when they come. Look before you leap. Think well before taking any serious step. So what will you do by these things? You can use this in your writing. So that's why the pupil need to learn this. After this table, here there are some exercises, a number exercise. Proverbs can seem to contradict each other. Which proverbs in the list above are these four proverbs contradicting? Here see, many hands make light work. So it is we can tell here this one, too many cooks spoil the broth. Too many helpers often get in one another's way. So next one, 2 number, look after the pans and the pounds will look after themselves. Penny wise, pound foolish. Here we can write 2, and in this place before, in this place we can write 1. Now 3 number, he who hesitates is lost. The answer can be, this one can be, look before you leap. Think well before taking any serious step. So in this place we can put 3. Now last one, that is out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind, which can be here. This one can be absence makes the heart grow fonder. So here it will be phone number. Now it is the turn to do B number exercise. Here B number exercise, try to explain in your own words the meaning of these proverbs. You will try by yourself. I am trying by myself. Here one number, a stitch. Here it will be a stitch in time saves 9. I can tell early action can save a lot of work later. 2 number, better late than never. I can tell it's better to be late than not to come at all. 3 number, more hasty, less speed. We can tell if you try to hurry, you may make so many silly mistakes that it will take you longer in the end. And the 4 number, a bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. 4 number, the answer can be value what you have got. It's worth twice as much as vague possibilities in the future. So we have finished another page, that is page number 46, and the topic is Proverbs. Next day we will do page number 47, and there we'll find the topic, that is same sound different meaning. Bye for today.